yoga friends? Before we start our body toning yoga today, don't forget to tap like and hit subscribe so you can join us in every fun and energizing session. Let's get started. Standing forward bend. Bend down soft like a rag doll. Great start! Triangle pose. Lean to the side to make a big triangle shape. Now switch sides. Well done! Downward facing dog. Lift your bottom high. Wag your puppy tail. Good job! Three-legged dog. Kick one leg high, just like a puppy stretching. Awesome! Plank pose. Keep your body straight like a wooden bridge. You are strong! Superman pose. Fly up high to save the world. Amazing flying! Bow pose. Curve your body into a round basket. Fantastic! Camel pose. Lean back to make a big camel hump. Great balance. Boat pose. Make a boat bobbing on the waves. Wonderful! Pigeon pose. Puff out the chest like a proud pigeon. Now switch sides. Lovely stretch. Revolved head to knee pose. Lean sideways to hold your foot. Look up at the sky. Now switch sides. Excellent work. Reclining hero pose. Lie back and rest like a hero.